With AutoCAD 2010, you can significantly increase 2D drawing productivity without disrupting your creative workflow. Create a rough design using typical drawing tools and then easily apply geometric constraints to define and maintain relationships between objects, key object points, and the coordinate system. For example, you can ensure that lines are parallel to each other, perpendicular, or collinear. An icon at the cursor indicates which constraint you are about to apply, and AutoCAD will prevent you from over-constraining the geometry. You can automate the process of applying geometric constraints using the Auto Constrain tool. A settings option enables you to control which constraints are available, in what order they are applied, and under what conditions they are applied, including the tolerance, distance, and angle. Based on the criteria, geometric constraints are automatically applied to the selected geometry, and the constraint bars are displayed. Pass your cursor over the constraint bar icons to view the associated geometry. You can drag constraint bars to change their position, and you can easily hide or show all of them. If you want to display only specific constraint bars, you can hide all of them and then use the Show tool to select the objects for which you want constraint bars to be displayed. Even after you've used the Auto Constrain tool, you may want to apply additional constraints. For example, you can apply an equal constraint to ensure the selected lines maintain an equal length, or the selected circles or arcs maintain an equal radius. You can also apply geometric constraints between key points and objects. For example, you can specify that the center of an arc remain coincident not with a particular point, but anywhere along a selected object, or even the extension of the object. Additional tools enable you to constrain the geometry relative to the coordinate system. Apply the fixed constraint to ensure that a particular point on the geometry maintains its location in space. The horizontal constraint ensures that geometry remains horizontal relative to the coordinate system. As you edit the geometry, it maintains the geometric relationships. To regain design flexibility, you can easily delete individual constraints or delete all the constraints for selected objects.